Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see a evening snack recipe, that is snake gourd pakoda. It is very difficult for us to make the kids eat snake gourd. So I believe this method of making snake gourd will attract them and they will enjoy eating it. To begin with, I have taken snake gourd, that is about 300 grams, and I am cutting them into thin slices. Remove the center white part from the slices. Snake gourd slices are ready. Now let's prepare the batter. I am taking 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as required, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and 1 egg, which is optional. You can also add corn flour instead of egg. Mix them well and start adding water little by little until you get the batter consistency. It is always better to eat this recipe as soon as it has been prepared. Why? Because snake gourd has a tendency of excreting water from it, because of which the pakoda might become moisty and soft. Once the batter is ready, add the sliced snake gourd to it and start mixing it well. Let's start frying the snake gourd in hot oil. I would suggest using a fork instead of a spoon to drop the snake gourd into the oil, because fork is easier to pick and drop the snake gourd slices into the oil. Once they became brown in color, remove them and serve hot. Hope this video would have been useful. Please do like, share and subscribe to Ants Lab. And thanks for watching this video till the end. Until we meet in the next video, signing off from you all. Tata, bye bye.